Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo magluto ng spicy tuna lumpia with cheese. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first and most important ingredient in this recipe is the Century Tuna Hot and Spicy Tuna. So pwede rin naman na flakes in brine or flakes in water, but I prefer using hot and spicy tuna kasi meron na siyang flavor. Okay, you have to forgive me on this one kasi nakalimutan ko sila kunan ng hiwa-hiwalay. But the other ingredients that you will need are 1 whole egg, yung drained tuna, make sure to properly drain it para hindi magkakatas yung tuna pag binalot mo na sa balat ng lumpia. Next, what you'll need is 1 tablespoon of flour, salt and pepper to taste, garlic, and ang sikreto ng masarap na lumpia, no other than kinchay. Other ingredients that you will need are balat ng lumpia, water, and cheese. So today I'm using Dane's cheese. So to start making your lumpiang tuna, mix all the ingredients together. Please make sure that you drain your tuna well para hindi siya magkakatas pag binalot mo na yung lumpia. So next step, hiwain ang cheese into medium-sized julienne and make about 10 to 15 pieces. Magdagdag na lang tayo later pag kinulang. So after natin maghiwa ng cheese, pwede na tayong mag-start magbalot ng lumpia. So maghilera lang tayo ng 2 pirasong cheese and maglagay tayo ng ating tuna mixture. Make sure na katamtaman lang yung ilalagay nating amount of tuna inside para hindi mapunit yung balat ng lumpia. So, tapos na ako magbalot ng lumpia, now we can start frying. Nagpainit lang ako ng frying pan with canola oil and pwede na tayong magsimulang magprito. So, once mainit na siya, pwede na tayong magsalang. Just make sure not to over fry your lumpia kasi luto naman na yung loob niya since we are using a canned tuna. So, pag nag-golden brown na siya, pwede nyo na ahunin yung lumpia. And you can use paper towel or a strainer to drain your lumpia. So there you go guys, you have your spicy tuna lumpia with cheese. This can serve 3 to 4 persons depende kung gaano katakaw yung kakain. So this goes well with white rice, garlic rice, or pwede rin naman as a snack. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!